Here we have two trig integrals that we need to solve, and both of them are squared trig entities. We have sine squared x and cosine squared x. Now we know through trig double angle identities how to step these down, and so we can rewrite these as the integral of 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 dx plus the integral of 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 dx. And so what we can do first here is we can pull this 2 out from each of them and stick them out front of each of these integrals. And what I think I'll do there is I'll just do 1/2 times, and then I'll say the integral of 1 minus cosine 2x dx plus the integral of 1 plus cosine 2x dx. And then this way that 1/2 will just distribute to both of these integrals. And so now the next thing to do is just to go ahead and integrate both of these. So we've got 1/2 out front times the integral of 1 with respect to x is x. The integral of cosine 2x with respect to x is going to be minus sine 2x over 2. And then we'll add the result of this integral, which would be plus, again, 1 with respect to x is x. Cosine 2x with respect to x would be plus here, sine 2x over 2. We'll go ahead and close those brackets, and then we'll add the insides. X plus x would be 1/2 out front times 2x. Negative sine 2x over 2 plus positive sine 2x over 2 cancels, so that would be 0. So we are left with 1/2 times 2x, which is simply x. And we mustn't forget to add a constant because we're dealing with indefinite integrals with no limits or bounds. And this is the result of our integral. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.